Here we go. 3, 2. Yo, what up everybody? Hope y'all been good out there, and I hope y'all still out there getting your practice on, man. And you know how I start the show. If you ain't on your positive vibes, get your mind right, get your thoughts together, push yourself, fight through whatever you got going on, and try to make sure that you're having some good days on your side. On today's show, we're gonna talk about speed ramping. That real cool look when you're going like a normal speed, then you got a real quick zip, and then it's back to this slow motion or this normal speed, and it look real cool on video. Now, another way that I personally like to look at it is that it's a pretty cool way to be able to move through those scenes when you're shooting like for a long period of time. Now, here's another side tip. In order for these shots to work and really look like something, you have to really shoot over an extended period of time. So it can't be like your 3-4 second shots. It gotta be something along the lines of maybe like a 30-second shot or 40-second, all the way up to like a minute, where you could kind of jump through these whole scenes and push it through rather than doing jump shots. So before we go over into this session, I'm gonna show y'all a quick video that I did, and you could check out the speed ramping right at the beginning. Here we go. All right, so let's go into this session and check out how I did everything. All right, I got the video clip. Let's go ahead and put it out on the timeline. And then I'm gonna go through it and let's see if we can recreate it really quick. All right, because we had the car coming up. So let's cut it there. I'm gonna get rid of this first part, slide it over, have a new starting point. So we have the car coming up. And let's actually start here. Have the car driving up, and then when it gets there, we're gonna cut it again. I'm gonna put that in the slow motion. So I'm gonna right click, speed and duration. It's at 100% right now. I'm gonna drop it down to 40%. So now let's play it again and see what we have. Regular speed, slow motion, and then as it's getting ready to drive into the driveway, I'm gonna splice it again there, and I'm gonna zip all the way until he's getting out of the car. So we're gonna get to there. So I'm gonna clip that again. So now I have this huge part in the middle. I'm gonna right click on it, speed and duration. It's at 40% now because I slowed it down. I'm gonna jump up to like 1800. I know it sounds crazy, guys, but it'll all make sense. Jump up to like 1800. As you can see, it pretty much made it very, very small. I'll zoom in so you can see. So now you see how our clips are kind of laid out. We have our regular speed for our first clip, then we slow motion right here. Then we have this real itty bitty clip. That's gonna be our zip. It's like very fast, and it goes back to slow motion with him getting out of the car. All right, let's play it from the beginning to see what we're looking like. All right, so you can kind of see how it is. If anything, I would probably do the zip a little bit faster because I don't want you to really be able to see what's going on. And I think that's kind of like my whole process with it. I want you to see and recognize what it is, and then I want it to be like, boom, it's at the next point already. So I'm gonna right click on my zip clip again, the very fast one. It's at 1800. I'm gonna jump up some more. I'm gonna jump up to 2500. See if I can make it even quicker than I had it. So let me see how it's looking now. All right, that's a little bit better. You know, and you kind of get the drift of it. It's like fast to slow to fast to slow. Let's go ahead and go through another part of that video. Let's get him walking into the house. Let's go all the way around. So see, we would have him, let's start here. All right, we're gonna splice the clip and we're gonna come over here. Let's start here. We got him in slow motion. All right, and then I'll just clip it right here. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fast forward all the way until he's getting into another part. I'm gonna send it here. So let's zoom out and see what we have. So we're gonna right click, speed and duration, it's at 40%. We're gonna speed it up to, let's say 700, see what that's looking like. And then he's gonna slow motion there. He's gonna be slow motion there all the way to the door. We'll let him pull the door open. And then as he pulls the door open, I'm gonna zip it again all the way to here in the house. So let's zip this one, right click, speed and duration. We're gonna go from 40, let's do 850 on this one. Make that one very short. We're gonna zip to there. We'll let him slow motion walk in the house. And then as we get to this part, I think we're gonna go around the wall. Okay, yeah. So as we get here and get ready to go around the wall, I would zip it again to, let's see, is that the end of that one? Okay, no. I will zip it again all the way around the wall until he gets to the guys right there. All right, so let's zip that one. Right click, or right click. Let's take this one to 500. All right, so let's see how we're looking for this one, guys. Walking in, he's gonna get ready to zip in a second. Zipping in, there you go, slow motion. He's walking in, walking in, walking in. Zip again into the house. Walking in. Very slow, and then comes another zip when he's going around the wall. Okay, all right, so this is the thing about it. Those zips are cool, but I'm the person that likes them to be a lot faster. I really don't want you to recognize what's going on. Like, you can still see that he's pushing the gate open. So I will probably go back to this first one. It's at 700. I will push it up to like 1700. I need it to be like crazy fast. So let's see how this looks. Yeah, see that zip? That's the zip that I'm looking for right there. So once again, guys, you gotta play around with the speed, you know, so it has that good zip to it. So this one, we're gonna speed this one up to, what are we at, 850? I'm gonna just jump to 1700 on that one too. Cause I need those zips to be like a transition almost look, like a wipe or something. Here we go, let's see what the second one looking like. Going into the house. Yeah, that one's cool, but I would zip it a little bit more because you can still kind of make out what's going on. And I try to trick the eye as much as possible. I don't want them to make out what's going on. So I'm gonna go from 1700 to 2500. And I know I'm doing drastic jumps, but I need them to like move. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. You see it? It's like it almost looks like a wipe. It's like zip, 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 zip. You want it to be very fast. Yeah. Yeah, because you want it to be so quick, man. They just kind of like, it's the blink of an eye and they're at another clip already. You don't want it to be like recognizable what's actually happening. Like, oh, the camera went around the wall. Nah, I don't want it to be like that. I don't want you to even recognize what's going on. Let's change this one, 500. I'm gonna just go to 2000. 2000, that's gonna zip it very fast. Let's see what we're doing now around the wall. Yeah, see, it almost looked like a transition was created because it's happening so fast. Let's watch it one more time. All right, so there you go, guys. Try to keep it as quick and as short as possible. Of course, I'm not too good at that, but I hope that helped. Don't forget, you know, either you could do a regular motion, go very fast, and then back to regular motion, or if you want it to be a little bit more dramatic, you could do slow down speed, slow, 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 very fast, and then back to slow motion. It'll give you kind of like this, you know, whatever works for you on your side. All right, guys, before you leave the show, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video and it helped you out just a little bit, give me a thumbs up. Comment section is wide open. Go ahead and leave them comments. And if you need to get in touch with me by any means, you have my website and my Instagram listed below, all right? Before I get up out of here, guys, don't forget, man, stay on those positive vibes. Keep practicing and keep pushing out there. And I guess I'm out of here. Y'all go get some work done, man. I'm gone.